Okay, Jana, this is a really quick screencast tutorial on how to switch this section out right here, this little message and the Learn More button for an event or an announcement. So I'm going to take you, actually, let's start at the dashboard as if you just logged in. You'll notice over here on the left, it is as I described before in the email about reordering the admin menu. So the event or announcements area is the bottom here of the options menu. And you'll notice here that it's pretty simple, very, very, very simple window. And you actually have an option up here at the very top to either show the announcement or not. When you don't show the announcement, it is going to show this area here on the home page. If I set this to show the announcement and then click Save, I go back to the home page here and it will replace this with the announcement itself. And if the announcement has a date that goes along with it, that date will appear here in this format. You'll get a title, a little description, and a small link here that allows you to go either to another page, either internally here on this website or externally somewhere else, or even link it through to an image, a PDF, a video, really any other file that is online somewhere. So very simple to use. Let's go over the use of it really quick. So let's go ahead and change this. I believe, Jana, that you sent me some information. So let's go take a look at that email. And yes, okay. So basically what you were saying is that on the home page, would it be possible after the inquiry box to have some place where you can post something current? So there's an event on October 6th. Let's go ahead and download this image because this is the image that's going to go with it. P for C, October 6th event. Just save that image. I'm going to go back here to the event or announcement, and I'm going to upload or change the date rather. October 6th, so I changed the date. I'm going to leave the time blank and let's just allow the image itself to give the details for this event. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is actually upload the media here to the website so that we have it online, and then that way I can actually input the details here. So I'm going to copy the URL here for that particular image, and I'm going to go back here to the event or announcement. I know it's a little bit confusing the way that we have things labeled right now, but I'm actually going to use this for the link URL and not for the image itself. So the image itself, I was thinking, would be used more if this particular announcement here, or this particular thing that you were posting, was an announcement instead of an event. And then the date area that appears right here would actually then be taken up by whatever image gets posted here. So really only use the image down here if you're not inputting a date. Otherwise, if you want there to be an image that this link right here goes to, you're going to need to use this link URL area. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and let's just go take a quick look at how this ends up looking on the home page. I obviously didn't change the title or anything like that, but I did want to show you that once you input that image URL, you'll notice when I hover over this, it shows you the image URL down there at the very bottom of the screen, and if I click on it, it should open up that image URL for folks to be able to, interesting. This might be a difficult format. Now I'm going to have to think about how we're going to deal with images like this. But anyway, the concept is the same. Wherever you want to link this to, it will open up that link. So perhaps maybe opening it up in a new tab or something to that effect might be a little bit better, uh, especially when you have an image that's so large. I know PDFs might be a better format, really, to post information like that. But let's go back here and let's actually take a look at this image and take some of the text from that image and upload it into the event space. So let's put this over here. We'll make this a little bit smaller. So Thursday, October 6th, and let's see, let's change the description here to be children are natural philosophers. They ask lots of big questions, and parents are sometimes unsure about how to respond. Join. Actually, you know what? That would be a much better paragraph. Join other parents and UW Center for C experts for a special evening of engaging conversation about easy and fun ideas for inspiring philosophical conversations with your children. Okay, bit of a mouthful. But now that we have the title or the description in there, let's put in the title. You are invited. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'll maximize this window as well. And let's go take a quick look at how the page changed here and what everything looks like. Looks really nice. You are invited. October 6th tells you that. And then you can go ahead and get the details by clicking here. And probably what I'll just do is set this up as a download instead of a pop-up. Anyway, that is the end of this little tutorial. Again, if you ever wanted to just make this an announcement, just clear out this date field and add in an image right over here. So let's say we wanted to actually add that image and not display a date. So I went ahead and selected that image. Obviously, this is not really going to produce the results that we're going to want for this particular announcement, but what should happen, yes, is that it went ahead and saved or took the image and input it here, and also allows you to click on it and view the image. Again, when we're working with information like this, it would be much better to have it in PDF form. That being said, this works just fine. Jana, let me know if you have any questions about how to use this space. I'm going to, for the moment, simply revert back to the date situation here for you to review. That is the end of this little tutorial. Jana, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.